Hello students, in this video I will teach you a new topic that how we can find out the area of a triangle with the help of its vertex coordinate. Let we assume that we have a triangle ABC which coordinate is x1 y1, x2 y2 and last coordinate is x3 y3. We will use the formula to find out the area of this triangle 1 upon 2 x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. How we can learn it, this formula? 1 upon 2, first of all we will write x1, x2, x3. Now we will start simple counting. After 1 we know that 2 and 3 comes here, and we know that after 2 3 will become here, and after 3 counting will be revised because we have only 3 number 1 2 3. So after 3 we will revise 1 and 2. Now we will take some examples how we can use this formula. Let we start now. We have one example here. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A coordinate is -8 and 4, B coordinate is -6 and 6, and C we have -3 and 9. So first of all we will make a figure. Triangle ABC, coordinate is -8 and 4 which is given in question. Point B -6 and 6. Point C coordinate is -3 and 9. You can see here, let we assume that x1 and y1 will be the coordinate of point A, x2 y2 will be coordinate of B, and x3 y3 will be coordinate of C. So we will write here x1 -8, y1 4, x2 -6, y2 6, x3 value will be -3 and y3 value will be 9. Now we will use the formula to find out the area of triangle ABC. Formula is 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. And I have already told you that how you can learn it. Now we will put the value 1 upon 2 x1 value here -8 bracket y2 minus y3 here 6 minus y3 value here 9 plus x2 value here -6 and y3 minus y1 here, y3 value 9 minus y1 value here 4 plus x3 value here -3, y1 minus y2, y1 4 and y2 6, 4 minus 6. Now we will solve it. -8 into 6 minus 9 -3. Now you can see here -6 into 9 minus 4 will be 5 plus minus 3 into 4 minus 6 -2. Now we will solve here. 1 upon 2 minus 8 into minus 3 will be 24, minus 30, minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. Now 1 upon 2, 24 minus 30 will be minus 6, minus 6 plus 6 will be 0, so overall answer will be 0. That means triangle's area will be 0 here. Is that clear? Now today new point is collinear point. 3 points called collinear if the area of triangle formed by these points is equal to the 0. Means if you have the 3 point A, point B, point C, if they are collinear, that means they lie on a straight line. They lie on a straight line. Point A, point B, point C will be collinear if they lie on a straight line. That means they can't form a triangle. So area of the triangle will be 0. So 3 points called be collinear if formed by these points is equal to the 0. So triangle ABC 1 upon 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 area will be 0 here. Is that clear? So what will be the identification of collinear point? 3 points will be collinear if the area of the triangle will be 0 here. Let we take one example here. If the point A coordinate is minus 2 and 1, B, A and B, and C coordinate is 4 and minus 1 are collinear. It is given that here that 3 points already collinear here, and it is given that A minus B will be equal 1. Then find the value of A and B. So first of all we will find out the area of the triangle. Okay, area of triangle ABC. First of all we will write the formula. 1 upon 2 bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 formula y1 minus y2. Is that clear? If 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle ABC will be 0. So first of all we will decide that what will be x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Let we take point A coordinate will be x1 y1, point B coordinate will be x2 y2 and point C coordinate will be x3 y3. We put here x1 value minus 2 and y1 value will be 1, x2 value will be A, y2 value will be B, x3 value will be 4 and y3 value minus 1. Now we will use the formula. According question, area will be, area of triangle ABC will be 0 because the points are collinear here, so area will be 0. Now look at it here, area of the triangle 1 upon 2 x1 value here minus 2. Is that clear? y2 minus y3, y2 value here b minus y3 value here minus 1, so it will be plus 1. Now plus x2 value here a. Now y3 minus y1, y3 here minus 1 and y1 here 1 here. Plus x3 value 4, y1 value here 1 minus y2 value here b, and area will be 0 because 3 points are collinear here. Okay, next 1/2. You can see here when minus 2 multiply inside that it will be minus 2b minus 2, plus when a multiply minus 2 that means it will be minus 2a, plus when 4 multiply inside that means 4 minus 4b equals to 0. Now 1/2 transfer to other side, that means it will be 0. The remaining part will be minus 2b minus 4b will be minus 6b. Now minus 2a. Now you can see here minus 2 and plus 4 will be plus 2 equals to 0. Now it will be minus 2a minus 6b equals to minus 2. Equation number first, and we have the equation number second according to question here. Given that a minus b equals to 1, so equation number second here. Now both equation we will solve by the elimination method or substituting method. I will use here substituting method. I will find the a value here by equation number second. A value will be a equals to 1 plus b. Put value of a in equation number first. We are putting here minus 2, value of a is 1 plus b, we can put here. Okay, minus 6b equals to minus 2. Look at it once again. We have a minus b equals to 1, then a value will be 1 plus b, and we put the a value in equation number first here. Is that clear? So minus 2, a value here we will put 1 plus b, minus 6b equals to minus 2. You can see here when minus 2 multiply inside it will be minus 2 minus 2b minus 6b equals to minus 2. Okay, minus 2b minus 6b will be minus 8b, and minus 2 when transfer to other side it will be minus 2, and minus 2 transfer here plus 2, then minus 8b goes to 0, so b value will be 0 here. Is that clear? Now put value of b in equation number second. Now we will put the b value here, a minus b. A minus b value here we will put 0 equals to 1. A minus 0 will be a equals to 1. So a value will be 1 here. Remember that when 3 points are collinear, that means they form triangle and area will be 0 here. Is that clear? That means we can't form a triangle with the help of a 3 collinear points. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.